Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain me how WH works.
How WH words? Guys, how WH word is used to know the method, the process and the manners of the act which you perform every day according to activities. Guys, for example, you go to school. Is that clear? By the car, by the bus, by the auto. Is that clear? That is a method to go the school. So we can ask a question. How do you go to the school? By the car, by the auto, by the bus. It's mean we have to respond the method, the process, the manner in these questions. So guys, now today we have to practice of the how WH words. We are some students. Okay. So first of all, Niharika, take the question.
How do you speak?
Okay, how do you speak Hindi, English, Marwari, etc., etc. Okay, next.
How do you write?
How do you write? Notes, questions, answer, etc., etc. Okay, next.
How do you mop?
How do you mop on the floor? Is that clear? Okay, next.
How do you cook?
How do you cook in the kitchens? Okay, next.
How do you eat?
How do you eat? For example, foods. Is that clear? Like fruits, food, etc., etc. Okay, next question.
So how do you play?
How do you play cricket, hockey, tennis, badminton, etc., etc. Okay, next.
How do you dance?
Okay, how do you dance in the wedding party? Is that clear? In the ring ceremony, etc., etc. Okay, next.
How do you run?
How do you run? On the track, on the path, on the road, on the stadiums. Okay, next.
How do you sing?
Hmm?
How do you sing?
How do you sing the songs on the stadium in the concert? Okay, next.
How are you?
How are you? Okay, how are you person? How are you lady? How are you gentleman? For example. Okay, next.
How do you read?
How do you read the books? How do you read the novels? Etc., etc. So guys, you are looking that in all examples, we are using how to know the method, manner, process. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this year, then you can follow us at our social media platforms. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky and funny videos, then you can visit at our official website and you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.
All the best.